Hey, you looking for a recording studio in Orlando? Look no further than Soldo Production, one of the best studio in Orlando. At Soldo, we do way more than recording. We also got music lessons, rehearsal practice. Come and bring the band with you. Gospel band, reggae band, rock and roll band, compa and jazz. At Soldo, we do way more than recording. Come and learn your favorite instruments: drums, bass guitar, keyboard, electric guitar. We also do vocal coaching. Stop by and come record your next song with us. Send your songs to us, we will mix and master. Even if it's not complete, we'll make sure it's done. That is why we are the best.